Life was good. I had it all. Then tragedy struck and duty called. I did my job and I came home to fight another war alone. PTSD is a war of another kind. A war that is raging in my mind. There is no foxhole for me to hide. And this war that wreaks havoc deep inside. I don't know if time will ever heal. This anguish and pain that's raw and real. Isolation is my closest friend. Can someone show me how to find hope again? Dear soldier, you don't have to suffer alone. You can call the Veterans Helpline or talk to a friend. You matter to us. Thank you for your service. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that expresses human sentiments such as sympathy, hope, love, joy, care, thoughtfulness, and gratitude, which creates lasting soul-healing emotional connections. Thank you for watching. Stay hopeful and positive.